Another milling station, and this one's pretty big. I actually cleaned it off. It's interesting how it has some scoops in it, and they use this for their advantage. Now I found this just maybe 2 feet from here. You find pestles just sitting there. So I'm thinking they used this. Oh, look at that. Isn't that interesting? Well, you could really crack open some walnuts with that, especially with the weight of this rock. Looks like you could probably butcher something with that. Here's the thumb. That's left-handed. My finger goes here. It's carved out. Look at the finger placement. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is this is left-handed. Left-handed. I find that it's about a 50-50 with the left-handed tools. This thing looks interesting. Anyhow, I'm going to put this one back where I found it. Like I said, it was a couple feet buried. I think it, usually you find them buried right up against the rock. But this was sticking out of the ground. It was just a couple feet away. I have to find it. So.